Hey there, Hopeful Tribe. Welcome to this week's episode of the I Ching. So this week I wanted to know which hexagram would be best for keeping me grounded when there's so much chaos around me. And so when I put that intention and question out there, I opened the I Ching randomly to hexagram 3. And here's what AI had to say about hexagram 3. Hexagram 3 of the I Ching, Zun, difficulty at the beginning, or sprouting, offer steady guidance for staying grounded when we encounter chaos this week. Rather than warning us away from disorder, hexagram 3 teaches us how to meet chaos without panic. Beginnings are inherently unstable. Confusion, false starts, and emotional turbulence are not signs of failure. They're signs that something new is trying to take form. Grounding comes not from control, but from patience, structure, and wise support. Guiding our thoughts. Practice orienting instead of solving. Hexagram 3 reminds us that chaos overwhelms the mind when we try to resolve everything at once. Notice thoughts like, this shouldn't be this hard. I need clarity right now. I'm already so far behind. Guidance. Replace urgency with orientation. Ask where you are, not where you should be. A helpful self-inquiry might be, what is the very next stabilizing step that I can take? Grounded thinking in chaos is sequential, not total. Guiding our feelings. Hexagram 3 acknowledges that the beginnings are often hard, tender, anxious, and disorganized. So let yourself feel uncertainty, frustration, and get yourself to a point where you can feel cautious hope. And you don't need to conclude that something is wrong. Guidance. Allow emotions to move without demanding reassurance or solutions or resolution. Try saying this to yourself to alleviate stress. This feeling makes sense right now at the beginning. I don't need to rush things. Emotional grounding comes from permission, not pressure. Guiding our actions. Create simple structure and seek support. This hexagram teaches that early chaos requires containers, not heroics. Act by establishing small routines, taking modest, repeatable steps, asking for guidance and collaboration. Avoid acting alone out of pride or fear. Guidance. Stability grows through scaffolding. Ask yourself before acting, what small structure would help this take shape? Grounded action during chaos is patient and collective. Here's a one-week practice inspired by hexagram 3. In the mornings, name one thing that feels unclear and one thing that feels solid. During midday, pause before reacting. Choose the simplest next action you can take. In the evenings, reflect gently. Where did I slow down instead of trying to force things? Where did that support help me stabilize? In essence, hexagram 3 teaches that chaos at the beginning is not a problem to eliminate. It's a condition to tend. Difficulty at the beginning brings growth when we proceed step by step. Happy Sunday, Hopeful Tribe.